Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook stuffed tofu. This is one of the most delicious tofu recipes. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to prepare a piece of tofu. Cut it into cubes like this. Scoop out about 1 spoon of tofu from each piece to make room for the meat. Now prepare a piece of pork. Cut it and mice it. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some starch. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can stuff the meat into the tofu. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the tofu into the pan. When the meat becomes brown, turn off the heat and take the stuffed tofu out from the pan. Now prepare a pot and put the tofu into it. And then we need to make the sauce. We need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some starch, and some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pot. Cover the pot and let it cook for 8 minutes. In the meantime, we can chop some scallions. Add the scallions onto the top of the tofu. Turn off the heat and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.